Guys, this is the review of how to remove your shitty fucking orange tip. I recently got this gun. It's the CO2 Cp02. It has a marine logo on it. It's heavy. You put it in your hands and you know you're gonna like it. It needs lubrication if you wanted to work it properly and if you want to have it for a while. I think it's around like 320 something FPS. The safety is for some reason down where you insert the magazine. I'm scraping them off at the moment. But so far what I just did was get a really thin knife, something sort of like this, heat it up till it turns red, and basically just saw off the orange tip. It just melts off. Try to put pressure though. Now, what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm going to be you see all that gunk? Eventually it ends out. What I'm gonna do is scrape it all off, and so it's gonna look at least more neatly. Here, let me show you how. I know it's easy to heat up a blade, but just in case some people don't know how to do it. Overall, the gun's really good. If you want a sidearm, and Academy is the only place you can get Airsofts, or a Walmart or whatever, I recommend you get this. It's a really awesome gun. It's fantastic. The blowbacks are very realistic. CO2 doesn't use that much CO2. There you go. Here's what it's gonna look like while I'm doing the thingamajig. Red hot blade. Watch how it just melted like butter. And don't worry about the barrel, it's some sort of aluminum, so it's gonna withstand the heat. Try not to touch any other plastic parts because it will melt the shit out of it. You see, it's turning out nicely. You might want to have something that's not, doesn't conduct fire. Scraped it off with a toothpick. And you just reheat the blade and repeat the process till eventually it's gonna look like that part where I'm sticking the toothpick in, right there. This is the last one. Then pretty sure you guys could pick it off from there. Oh, by the way, this is illegal, so if a cop tells you to drop it, you drop it, cause he will shoot the fuck out of you if you live in a town where the cops are trigger happy. I will be doing another review, another Airsoft, so if you guys like them, I'm pretty creative when it comes to these things. Yes, this is where I'm from. This is what I worship. Peace out, guys. Hope you like it. Try it out. Be safe. If you're gonna do this, do it in a private property that's absolutely yours. Okay. Bye.